In case you missed the first episode, the link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
I cannot do this anymore, Jay.
Do what? We're just protecting Kai. He is our friend.
No, that is not the truth. I need to tell you something. Something I have never told anyone.
Tell me. What is it?
Do you know why I came to this university?
No. You never said.
I came because of my father. He is sick. Very sick. Heart disease. Every semester, my father, he pays for my school. But it is difficult. Very difficult. His hospital bills, they are so expensive.
Nadia, why did you not tell me?
Because I did not want pity. I did not want everyone to know. I wanted to be normal, like everyone else. But this year, my father, he had another heart attack. And the university, they said they need more money. For my scholarship, they said I need good grades, excellent grades.
And what does this have to do with Kai and Zara?
Last month, I was working in the library office. I saw Zara's grades on the computer. She got a scholarship, a big scholarship, more than me. And she does not even need it.
Zara is from a rich family?
Very rich. Her father is a doctor. Her mother is a lawyer. And she got the scholarship. The scholarship that could have helped my father. That could have helped me. And then she falls in love with Kai. She does not care about school anymore. She just sits in the library looking at him. She wastes the scholarship. She wastes everything.
So, you are angry at Zara, not at Kai?
I am angry at both of them. But mostly I am scared.
Scared? Of what?
Scared that love is easy for them. Scared that they have everything, and I have nothing. My father is dying, Jay, and Zara, she just laughs and sits with her books and plays with her hair around Kai. I just want her to be as sad as I am. I just want them to hurt like I hurt.
Does Kai know about your father?
No. No one knows. Only you. Now, only you.
And does Kai know you have feelings for him? Oh, Nadia, you are sabotaging them because you love him.
I do not love him. I do not know him. But I could have. If Zara was not there. If he had time for me. You understand, yes? You understand why I cannot let them be happy?
Nadia, my father always said something to me. He said, if you are drowning, do not try to pull down the person next to you, because then you will both die. You need help. Real help. Not revenge on Zara and Kai.
Lesson from episode 2. If you are drowning, do not try to pull down the person next to you. because then you will both die. Do you think Nadia listens to Jay and seeks help? Or she went against it and sought revenge instead? We'll find out in the concluding episode.